One day while I was walking through my favorite big box hardware stores, I found this. Yes, a boxcar. And I know there's some of you out there thinking, why are you talking about a boxcar? Well, this boxcar is the inspiration for my next project. Ever since my spider diorama, I wanted to make another, but bigger and really create a unique scene. So when the gears started turning about this project, I reached into my toolbox and pulled out a little bit of everything. The first stop in this build was the car itself. I separated the metal chassis from the plastic box, and then a fine grit sandpaper started the process of making these logos and decals look worn and faded. Then it was time for a little kit bashing and scratch building. Being an avid modeler, I had a plethora of extra parts lying around. I really didn't have too much of a plan for this step. The main vision was to have this derelict boxcar look like it had been modified or converted for something else. I wanted to have all kinds of different tanks and mechanical gear and pipes and tubing hanging off the sides. Once I had all my plastic bits glued into place, it was time to weather this thing, and I did not hold back. I started with a light mist of olive green on the body of the boxcar, then the chassis of the train car got its weathering treatment in the form of rust-colored paints and pigments. I returned to the body of the boxcar with an impressive array of oil brushes, paints, and pigments for its weathering process. On to the base. My train car needed a scene to exist in. Paper mache formed the foundation to build off of, and after that I laid down some grass, some taller grass, bushes, sand, and gravel. I also am making a train car diorama, so of course there's the standard assortment of track, railroad ties, and ballasts. Hey everybody, what's up? I just thought I'd take a little time out of this video and thank each and every one of you for supporting our channel. Couture and I hit a milestone, a major milestone in our small little channel on our own little corner of the internet. So, thank you. Thank you very, very much for everything you've done to help support our channel. It has also come to my attention that it's been a minute since I've introduced both Couture and I to the world. Well, Couture and I, we're a husband and wife team from the great Mitten State who enjoy making things. All kinds of different little things, whether it be an intricate diorama, a fun little puppet, or a huge elaborate cosplay. We are an entertainment channel that's creatively focused, and we hope our little videos inspire you to go out and make something as well. And now, back to the video. Put that up too high, god damn it. inside of the boxcar? Well, there wasn't one, so I had to fix that. I cut up a few popsicle sticks to simulate wood planks for the bottom of the train car, and a little more scratch building and 3D printing would help craft a nifty little lab or shop of sorts. Once I had this neat little scene all built and glued in place, I covered it up with my boxcar's shell. Fortunately, the doors are open, so as you're peering in, you'll catch a glimpse of the treasures that this rusty train car holds. One of the more, we'll say, unique parts of this scene is the tree. I didn't really go with a traditional route when it came to crafting my boxcar's woody companion. I picked this method up from Bobby Duke. It involves taking a small bundle of wire and twisting it around with a drill. That makes the trunk. And then you pose and shape it as you see fit. Then you add the foliage in the appropriate spots. This technique gives you more of a whimsical example of a tree. The final piece to this dystopian puzzle is my main character, the being who calls this place home. And that being is this little guy, a rat folk alchemist who goes with the name of Amdal. Amdal lives a solitary lifestyle, spending his days out in nature foraging for the ingredients to craft his various potions and tinctures. He makes these in a train car turned apothecary just outside the rat folk village of Scratofal. Adorned with various tanks and pipes and engines, Amdal salvages what he can to ensure that he has both the tools and the ingredients he needs to make his various concoctions, and these make him one of the best alchemists in the region. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for subscribing. And Tori and I thank all of you so much for letting us share with you our nerdy little project. And the last little bit I have to cover is the big final reveal.